Hello, Vera. Magic, magic. Dating nagpe-field trip na walang kasamang magulang. Ngayon, dalawa ang kasama. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Want to ride a bus? Come on! Okay, let's go.
Wow. Early bird. Hi.
Hello, Vera. Good morning. Good morning. That's one.
I will be your tour facilitator for today. Ayan. So kung meron po tayong questions, pwede po kayo magtanong sa akin. Ayan. So or mabawasan po yung water pollution, ano? And yung odor po, no? Yung mga dolomite sand po kasi ina-absorb niya po.
Maybe it's hot.
Vera. Vera. Is it good? Vera. Sabi nung tour guide namin, ang Rizal Park ay 35 feet because 35 years old daw. No, nabaril si Jose Rizal.
Look at mom.
According sa aming tour guide, ang Luneta pala ay dating pangalan ay Bagong Bayan at more than 800 na ang na-execute sa lugar na ito. At isa na doon, si J. Perez. Lagi mo siyang di naluluma dahil pambata siya. Wow! Yes! Museyong Pambata. Wow! Oh, whale yan! Si whale yan! Oh, that's a whale! Where are you going?
Daddy is asking you. Stand up. Stand up.
I want louder. Hi! Hello!
Wow, Barasuin ba to? At ito ang tren, unang tren. Ayun ang Going Mary. At ito ang entrance sa Intramuros. Dr. Jose Rizal, pambansang bayani at martir. Ikaw martir lang pero di ka bayani.
Your road.
Wow! Cute ng jeep. Jeep! Wish I could be part of that world. My first day of class.
And I want you to draw anything that first comes in your head that makes you happy.
Oh, draw that makes you happy.
If you're hungry,
Go get the
let's draw
joker
a
over there. Mira.
Kulain.
Bro, what's that? Is that a mountain?
Vera, what are you doing?
Sheet, bibigyan kayo ng mga folded paper. Ayan. Tapos click nyo lang ha. Itaas nyo pag meron na kayo. Itaas nyo yung paper pag meron na kayo. Paper in half. Like this. Okay, let's fold the paper in half. Okay, Kristen.
No ice pa. Can I see now? Wow! What is her name? What?
Ayun, nilagay natin. Ayan.
Be careful na. Next time, magkakatak ko ha.
We are now here at Hotel H2O. Nasa oceanarium po tayo ng Manila Ocean Park. At si Bere lang po ang may dalang stroller. Dahil alam na namin ang mga kaganapang ito. Mas mura dito. Pag nando ka sa Hong Kong Ocean Park, mahal. Parang buti nagtatagalog si ma'am. Wow, Professor X.